What is a 1099 NEC on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The 1099 NEC is a tax form used to report non-employee compensation. It is typically used for individuals who are not employees but have provided services to a business as an independent contractor or freelancer. The term NEC stands for non-employee compensation. Businesses are required to issue a 1099 NEC form to individuals or businesses to whom they have paid $600 or more in non-employee compensation during the tax year. Non-employee compensation includes fees, commissions, prizes, and other forms of compensation for services. Businesses are required to send a copy of 1099 NEC to the recipient by January 31st of the year following the tax year in which the compensation was paid. They must also file a copy with the Internal Revenue Services. Recipients of the 1099 NEC must report the income on their federal income tax return. Since independent contractors are not employees, they are responsible for paying their own income taxes as well as self-employment taxes. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com. Then you want to log into your account by clicking on the login or sign up option. Simply enter all of your credentials and then log into your account. Now to enter your 1099 NEC form, search for 1099 NEC and select the link. Continue through the screens and enter the information as it appears on your form. It is going to ask you some questions and help you through entering any expenses you might have so that you can reduce your taxable income. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.